Hey everybody, in this video we're going to take a look at how to disassemble and clean your humidifier so it keeps operating in tip-top shape. Let's get right into it. So the first thing we'll want to do is remove the tank from the base and then empty any water that's inside of it. Next you'll want to remove the water filter that's located at the bottom of the tank. Just give it a couple of twists back and forth and then it'll come loose and it looks just like this right here. Next is the valve pin. On the bottom it has a little spring on it. Just to press with your finger, reach back inside, remove the rubber gasket grommet that looks just like this right here. And once you do that, the valve pin will release and come out. Looks just like this right here. If there wasn't a plastic tank in the way, this is exactly what this looks like. And if you wanted further clarification on this part, you can take a look at the instructions right here. From here you can soak these in warm water or your descaling solution using either the included brush, toothbrush, or whatever brush you prefer. When it comes to cleaning the tank, feel free to use a damp cloth all around the insides and use a soft brush of choice to clean the vent outlet tube. Reassembly of the components is the opposite of removal. If you'd like to clean the top cover and nozzle here, you could soak this in water or wipe it down with a cloth. If you'd like to separate the two components, I recommend holding it close to your chest, grabbing the nozzle and then pulling away, and the two pieces will separate like so for even deeper cleaning. Moving on to the base, we've got a few different components. Start by removing the mist mixer, which removes easily. The orange piece is the noise silencer that clips in, so just wiggle it front to back and it'll pop right out, just like that. And at the very bottom is your mineral absorption pad, which just lifts out. Last but not least is the water ballast float. You'll notice that the bottom side here is not trapped, that piece of plastic. So if you take it and tilt it, it'll remove just like that. Also take note that it is labeled up, so this part is pointing up during reassembly. Now that these are all removed, once again, you can soak these in a bowl of water or your preferred descaling solution, either wiping them clean or using a brush to remove any buildup. Cleaning the base itself, once again, you can use a damp cloth if there's minimal buildup, or your brush of choice for any areas with buildup. Now, final notes and troubleshooting: warm water should typically work if there is minimal buildup while cleaning your humidifier. However, if there is a lot of limescale and buildup, a citric acid solution is recommended. It's also recommended that you take that citric acid and put it into hot water, swirl it around inside of the base and the tank for a minute or so to help it loosen things up and break it down, and then proceed with the cleaning process. And lastly, if you don't plan on using your humidifier for an extended period of time, after the cleaning process is all done, make sure you dry and wipe down all the different components before storage.